Hey guys, welcome to Login. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Chatbot AI account online on your PC. And now without further ado, let's start right in. Now to log into your Chatbot AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click up there and type in chatbot.com like this and don't enter. Or you can simply search for chatbot login on the Google itself and hit on enter, and you can see the login page. The chatbot AI is on the top of the list of the Google search results. Click over there, but on the first tab we are still on the home page of the chatbot AI, whereas on the second tab from the Google search result we are on the direct login page of chatbot. With that being said, let's go to the home page and close this one, or let's let it remain. Now on the home page at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the login and the sign up for free button available over here. Click on login, and you can see both of these pages are same. One was from the Google Chrome's search result and one is from the direct web address of the chatbot AI. With that being said and done, you can also choose to sign in to your chatbot AI account with your Google or your Microsoft or your Apple or your Facebook account, or if some company has provided you with your custom SSO account, you can use that as well. But we'll be continuing with our email address, and you can see the box over here to enter our business email address. Click over here and enter your email address like this, and click over here and enter your password. But if you have forgotten your password, you can see the forgot password button available over here. Click on forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve your chatbot AI account's password. With that being said, click on sign in, and then you'll be logged into your chatbot AI account online on your PC. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.